Today, the FDA's advisory committee endorsed emergency use authorization to Pfizer's COVID vaccine. This comes one day after the U.S. hit more than 3,000 COVID deaths in a single day.
Pfizer's vaccine still needs the green light from the FDA. Approval, though, means we could see shipments to our hospitals by next week. The Virginia Hospital and Healthcare Association gave Allison Basil an idea of how that process is going to work.
A COVID-19 vaccine could be just days away from hitting Virginia hospitals.
The initial priority population is frontline healthcare workers.
Virginia Hospital and Healthcare Association spokesperson Julian Walker says healthcare workers and long-term care residents are first up to get vaccines this go-round, followed by essential workers in the next phase.
People like police officers, firefighters, people who work in jails and prisons.
Pending FDA approval, he says doses could get to hospitals next week.
And vaccinations to begin then.
Now, Virginia is expected to get about 480,000 doses, but they won't come all at once. Walker says they get just a piece of that next week with 72,000 Pfizer doses.
It will go to identified hospitals with deep freezer storage. Centera Healthcare says they are getting doses, and Norfolk General will store them.
Redeploy or distribute that to other facilities within their network.
Walker says vaccine distribution will take time.
They're kept at ultra cold temperatures. They have to be thawed. Then they have to be mixed with another solution.
He expects vaccinating healthcare workers could take several weeks. Walker says most people won't see a vaccine for a few months.
Social distance and to wear masks, all of these things we all have a responsibility to do.
In Norfolk, Allison Basil, 13 News Now.
President-elect Joe Biden just released a statement about the FDA panel's endorsement of the vaccine. He called it a bright light in a needlessly dark time. He also said the challenge now becomes scaling up manufacturing and distribution to get 100 million shots to people in the first 100 days of his administration. Look for more on this historic step forward coming up on World News Tonight.